As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Axie cost will hit $12 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $15 by the center of 2024. Axie will ascend to $20 inside the extended period of 2025 and $25 in 2026. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.22. So the cost expanded by 37% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $14.56 and the year-to-year change plus 143%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 77%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.04 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.18. In the last part, the cost would add $1.23 and close the year at $17.41, which is plus 112% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months: Friday, blemish 31 $8.24. Saturday, April 1st $8.26. Sunday, April 2nd $8.28. Monday, April 3rd $8.30. Tuesday, April 4th $8.32. Wednesday, April 5th $8.34. Thursday, April 6th $8.36. Friday, April 7th $8.38. April 15th $8.54. May 15th $9.13. June 15th $9.74. July 15th $10.41. August 15th $11. The 17th of September $11.93. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.41 to $32.18, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.41. Then, at that point, take off to $20.54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $23.62. That implies plus 187% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $32.18 to $42.77, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $32.18. Then, at that point, take off to $34.11 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $36.03. It is about plus 338% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76 and the year-to-year change plus 229%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 99%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $21.96. In the final part, the cost would add $1.67 and close the year at $23.63, which is plus 138% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $23.63 to $43.66, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $23.63. Then, at that point, take off to $27.88 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $32.06. That implies plus 223% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $43.66 to $58.02, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $43.66. Then, at that point, take off to $46.28 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $48.88. It is about plus 392% from today. 02/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.90. So the cost expanded by 65% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.11 and the year-to-year change plus 119%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 32%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.06 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $14.25 in the last part. The cost would lose 41 cents and close the year at $13.84, which is plus 40% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $13.84 to $26.22, which is up 89%. Axie will begin 2025 at $13.84, then, at that point, take off to $16.33 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $18.78. That implies plus 90% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $26.22 to $37.26, which is plus 42%. Axie will begin 2030 at $26.22, then, at that point, take off to $27.79 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.35. It is about plus 196% from today. 0201-2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $10.86. So the cost expanded by 81% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.34 and the year-to-year change plus 122%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.27 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $14.50 in the last part. The cost would lose 42 cents and close the year at $14.08, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $14.08 to $26.66, which is up 89%. Axie will begin 2025 at $14.08, then take off to $16.61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.10. That implies plus 76% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $26.66 to $37.89, which is plus 42%. Axie will begin 2030 at $26.66, then, at that point, take off to $28.26 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.85. It is about plus 175% from today. 01/15/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.13. So the cost expanded by 52% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.15 and the year-to-year change plus 153%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 66%. In 2023,